Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Diane King Hall, here to take you through today's market action. Weakness in Meta and Microsoft post earnings weighed heavily on the market. The Nasdaq closed down nearly 2.5%. The S&P 500 fell about 2%, while the Russell dropped 1.6%. The Dow lost nearly 8%. Among the sectors, technology sold off 3.6%. Consumer discretionary was the next biggest laggard, losing 1.8%. Utilities and energy were the day's only gainers, adding 1% and 0.7%, respectively. More Mag 7 companies reported earnings after hours. Apple, the last of the big tech trade, releasing results this week. Shares were initially range-bound in reaction, but then fell. It posted a bottom-line beat, with adjusted EPS coming in at $1.64 share, and revenue rose 6% to $94.9 billion, which also beat expectations. But sales in different divisions were a mixed bag. iPhone sales beat expectations, with those topping $46.2 billion. Keep in mind, the company's long-awaited AI products, Apple Intelligence, released just days ago. Meantime, wearable sales slowed, falling 3%. E-commerce giant Amazon beat expectations with its latest quarterly report card. Its cloud unit was a star, as AWS sales rose 19% year over year, with operating service revenue of $10.4 billion, up from $7 billion the previous quarter. The company is guiding for a fourth quarter sales between a staggering $181 to $188.5 billion. The company also announced international sales rose 12% in its third quarter. Shares of Uber slid 9% despite the company reporting an earnings beat. Investors were disappointed by the rideshare's gross bookings. Third quarter bookings came in at $41 billion, $250 million short of expectations. The company expects $42.75 to $44.25 billion for the fourth quarter. Uber CEO says the company will, quote, continue to advance our autonomous strategy down the road. Big energy companies will report earnings before tomorrow's opening bell, including ExxonMobil, Chevron, and Dominion Energy. On the economic calendar, we'll get fresh employment data with the monthly jobs report on tap. We'll also get ISM manufacturing and construction spending. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Diane King Hall. Remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.